Hello, judges and innovators. My name is Michael Ajuzzi, and I'm a rising sophomore attending Georgia Tech looking to become an innovator for computer science. The project I will be showcasing today is called Building Detectable Media, an intro to advanced media training and deep learning. This is a beginner's look into deep learning and machine learning models that can be implemented into one's own personal project. For some important context, machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that allow computers to automatically learn from and improve upon experience. It involves training a model on a large amount of data and using that model to make predictions or decisions on new unseen data. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a specific type of machine learning that uses neural networks to automatically learn hierarchical representations of data. In other words, it's a way to train a model that can learn to recognize patterns in data by building layers of abstraction on top of each other. This allows deep learning models to perform complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition with remarkable accuracy. Machine learning can be very complex, but the implementation of this project shows that it does not have to be. Using Teachable Machine, a web-based tool developed by Google that allows users to create their own machine learning models without needing to write any code, students will be provided an introduction to machine learning and the scope of introductory computer science, and will have the opportunity to delve into introductory lessons on APIs, frameworks, and integrating these already accessible libraries into their own personal projects. Despite not having to write any code to assemble these basic machine learning models, students will need to learn how to implement these models into a program of their choice, which will require prior coding knowledge on writing classes, objects, and methods. This will be taught as a part of the AP Computer Science curriculum and would allow a semester-long project to be built gradually as more knowledge is gained on writing functional, cohesive code. Allowing students to build their own personal models gives an emphasis on critical thinking and will require students to think critically about the data they are using and to make decisions about how to label and structure that data in a way that will enable the model to learn effectively and be of use in practical code. Additionally, Teachable Machine allows students to create their own machine learning models for a variety of tasks and encourages them to think creatively about how they can use machine learning to solve real-world problems. Students will be given the creative freedom to choose identifiable patterns in everyday life and implement these in personal mini projects ranging from audio snippets, hand motions, to image detection. To demonstrate how this may look in a classroom setting, I have created a demo showcasing the tool and how students may be able to brainstorm their own machine learning model that can be combined with auxiliary code to provide a useful function. In this example, my project consists of a rudimentary shoe detection model in which I have trained the detection of two colorways of the same type of shoe. In this case, it is the Jordan 1 Mocha and the Jordan 1 University Blue. I am very into shoes and clothes, so this is how I'm adding my own flavor and passion to my own personal project. Students will need to gather multiple samples of the type of media they are using, whether it be different variations of the same sound or different angles of the same type of objects, whatever type of media they are using. The detection accuracy of this media is based on the sample size and the quality of the samples provided, and will act as a core concept in the project, showing the obstacles that may present themselves in the pursuit of accurate media detection. After providing samples of both the colorways, I proceed to export the model. In an online Java web editor, students will easily have access to. I load the model and use various JavaScript functions to implement the shoe detection model into a functional program. In my case, I have given my program the ability to utilize my laptop's personal webcam to detect and update the shoes being shown in real time. Students are free to expand on this concept and venture into all kinds of media detection. Artificial intelligence and model learning are very hot topics in computer science world at the moment, but introduce a very steep learning curve to properly get into. The hopes of this project ultimately present an opportunity for students to break through in the field and offer an approachable project that stays within the scope of high school AP Computer Science. Within the project, students will learn about the foundations of machine learning as well as applying concepts learned in class such as object-oriented programming, encapsulation, and basic computer organization and architecture. Thank you for your time, and that was a look into building detectable media.